In today's travel video, we're going to show you guys what the Drury Plaza Hotel here near Disney Springs has to offer. Now, I'm outside here in the parking lot right now, and just to kind of give you guys a little look at what it looks like outside here, check out these beautiful palm trees decorating as you drive into the entrance here. Some trees over there with the moss hanging down, but I do love Florida. So this is a pretty big hotel. There's two different towers here. This is like one tower, and then this is considered another tower. They have different elevators that go to those towers. But as you can see, there's shuttles that run here. These shuttles will take you over to Disney Springs and to some of the Disney parks. This is, I believe, considered a good neighbor hotel to Disney. And there are some features here where they partner with Disney and to make your experience better if you are staying at Disney. But if not, let me show you guys this hotel. It's one of the best hotels that I've stayed at as far as cleanliness and amenities. So let's go check it out. Okay, as I mentioned about the shuttles here, they do travel to Disney Springs. Now, yesterday, the last shuttle bus ended at 5:20, which I thought was kind of early to take us over to Disney Springs, but it is within walking distance. So they said it's about a 15-minute walk from this hotel to go to the Springs. Or you could drive over there if you did bring your own vehicle. The bellhop boys over here, you can park or you can pull up. They will get your luggage, and they are some of the best bellhop boys that I've ever experienced, because they loaded in our bags and they took them all the way up to our room for us. So if they do that, make sure that you tip them. You know, be kind. Don't be like my sister who didn't tip them. So yeah, treat them good. But yeah, they are very hospitable and they treat you right. So that's always a big thumbs up for me. All right, let's go inside. Okay, this is the lobby area. As soon as you come in on the left-hand side, there's a lobby to check in. Over here to the right-hand side, there's lots of seating area with some very nice seats if you're an introvert, because they got these high walls on them like that. You don't have to talk to anybody else. Over there is the kitchen and bar, and then over here to the right, there is a marketplace, and this is where you can buy some of your drinks or any kind of like snacks. They sell coffee. Over there in the corner, there is a Pizza Hut stand, so that way you can order a pizza if you want, in case you don't want to eat like the hotel food, or if you need something that within 15 minutes they'll make a pizza for you. Okay, over here there's a business center in case you need to print something out or use computers. And then we'll walk over this way. Okay, as you continue walking over this way, there's a concierge desk over here, a place to get some coffee. Wish they had really good coffee. They have coffee here on the main lobby and on the second floor. Over here, this is the Level Up Arcade. Take a look at some of the games that they have here. Air hockey.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Nerf Arcade, Halo, Raw Thrills, basketball, Lane Master, some Pac-Man, vintage Pac-Man, Moto GP, and Cruisin' Blast. Kind of a small arcade, but they got some good quality games. We'll walk over here toward the pool. Now, as I said, that they had coffee up on the second floor, that's also where you'll find your breakfast. If you want to buy tickets to the parks, you can do that here as well. All right, here's the two different tower elevators. There's a Cypress Tower right here, and then the Palm Tower. So depending on where they book you, I was on the 19th floor here at the Palm Tower, but I did make the mistake of going to the wrong elevators here. Fortunately, these elevators only go up to the 15th floor, so I was okay on knowing which elevator to go to. All right, this is a look at the pool. A pretty big pool. A hotel this size, and they need somewhat of a big pool. Over here is a conference center. They do host private events here, like they are right now. Beautiful. So like I said, since I was staying on the 19th floor, I was able to get some pretty nice views from where I was at. You can see Epcot from this hotel. Oh wait, I'm not the wrong one. I'm gonna go right here to the Palm. And I'm gonna take you guys to the second floor. Number 2. Okay, here we are on the second floor. There's some hopscotch for you. And this is the huge dining area. And right now it's breakfast time. There's all kinds of seating over here to the left and the right. They do serve popcorn here in the evenings. Very spacious area. Let's take a look at the actual food itself. Over here to the left, you can get your colas, your juices, and it's kind of nice that they do actually have pop, because a lot of places or hotels will only have like those juices. This actually has Coca-Cola. All right, so some of the breakfast options here, they got scrambled eggs, potato O'Brien, sausage. They have oatmeal over here. They got pancakes. All kinds of good things to eat. All right, we'll go ahead and continue on. Now in the evenings, it will be a little bit different. They'll have like hot dogs. Yesterday they had chicken Alfredo, baked potato. Here's where you can find your breads, some cereals, and then if you want to make some Mickey waffles, the famous Mickey waffles, you can do that right over here. So yeah, like I said, huge breakfast area. Probably the best breakfast area I've seen in a hotel so far. The staff is very friendly here. They would ask me how I was enjoying my stay. And it was not just one, it was multiple. So they're pretty trained to be kind, which makes the experience so much better. Okay, we're back down here in the lobby, and that gives you a pretty good look at what to expect if you're looking to stay here at the Drury Plaza. Like I said, it's one of the best hotels that I've stayed at here in this area, in the Orlando area. Clean, good food, good service. Now, when you are parking here in the parking lot, you do have to have your key card to get in and out of the parking lot, so that does provide a little bit more security. You have to really worry about people breaking in your car, although I do recommend always locking up your car. They do run multiple shuttles here, in case you were wondering. It's not just one. But yeah, I think that'll give you a good idea of what to expect on this quick video showcasing the Drury Plaza Hotel. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make travel videos all the time. and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.